case comes as North Carolina sees a statewide shortage of child welfare workers. And an Eastern Carolina county has been hit extra hard. News 12's Rebecca McGann has more on what all this means for the community.
Yeah, Lenoir County Department of Social Services has less than 10 employees dedicated to child welfare and has over 20 open positions. DSS Director Jeff Harrison says that part of the problem is an extremely low number of applicants.
With the vacancies that we have, we are probably the worst in the state right now in terms of vacancies. And we're hoping to turn that around as quickly as possible.
The Child Welfare Division in Lenoir County has taken a severe hit in staffing in recent months, with only about 5 employees currently staffed. Now, this is the total number across the division, including both social workers and managers.
What we've done is reached out within our resources of staff in our agency that has child welfare experience, and everyone's coming on board to help out. It's kind of like all hands on deck.
The division is responsible for investigating cases of child abuse and neglect, as well as monitoring the welfare of foster children across the county. And because they're so short on staff, Harrison says they're not operating at 100%.
Is it more likely that something might fall through the cracks right now?
Not intentionally, but it could happen, but we are trying to be as diligent as possible to make sure that we're paying attention to detail so that nothing does happen.
The North Carolina State DSS has offered some support to the county by coordinating between surrounding counties to assist with subcontracting, courtesy home visits, and after-hours work, but Harrison says additional support would be helpful.
The state has been supportive in providing guidance for us during this process. I personally would like more support because, it would always be nice to have additional hands-on that could help us, but the state doesn't have those resources readily available.
So the department is beating the recruitment drum, trying to get as many applicants as possible. But resumes are coming in at a snail's pace.
It appears that there are the interest in child welfare social work is not as strong as it used to be.
In the meantime, Harrison is calling on the Lenoir County community to step up.
Child welfare to the general public refers to the Department of Social Services. It's just not the Department of Social Services' responsibility. Child welfare and child protection is a community responsibility, and we need the community to also be our partner.
While the director was transparent about the problems that they're facing, he would not go into specifics about exactly how many cases they're handling right now. I'll put the entire interview on our YouTube page. And if you are interested in working in the Child Welfare Division, you can apply through the Lenoir County government. We'll have a link to that on our website, WCTI12.com.